Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 clipboard history not working. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Clipboard. Turn on clipboard history. Second method is, right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Fourth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click System. Right-click New, D-Word 32-bit value. Type Allow clipboard history, A, C and H are capital letters. Change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.